Today we are going to study iitjee mathematics, coordinate geometry, and we are going to study theory of part of parabola. Part of parabola. क्योंकि जितना थ्योरी क्लियर होगा तुम्हारा उतने सम्स ये जो एमसीक्यूज अटेंड करने के लिए तुम्हारे पास मैक्सिमम व्यू होता है। तो पहले देखो कि पैराबोला समझने से पहले जैसे मैंने लास्ट लेक्चर में एक्सप्लेन किया था कि कॉनिक्स इज डिफाइंड एज कॉनिक्स इज नथिंग बट सिंपली कोन सेक्शंस। इस कोन सेक्शंस में there is suppose a fixed line, it is called as a directrix, and there is a fixed point, it is called as a focus. And this is one of the property, that is focus directrix property of the conics. Suppose pxy be any variable point, then ps and perpendicular distance pm, the ratio of ps to pm is always constant, and this constant is called as a eccentricity of the conic. It is called eccentricity of the conic. For parabola, this eccentricity E is 1 for parabola. Means here we can say PS is equal to PM. This PS is equal to PM. Suppose select axis in such a way that x-axis will pass to the focus and perpendicular to directrix, and this distance is divided equally and y-axis is drawn accordingly. Therefore, let it be assumed that the distance is a, this will be also a. Therefore, focus S will have coordinates a, 0. And here this length is a, this length is x. Therefore, PM distance is equal to x plus a, and PS distance equal to, by distance formula, square root of x minus a square plus y minus 0 square. From the focus directrix property, PS equal to PM, therefore PS square equal to PM square. Means x square minus twice x plus a square plus y square equal to x plus a whole square, that is x square plus twice x plus a square. Cancelling these terms, you will find that y square equal to 4ax is the equation of parabola in standard form. Likewise, if you see, this curve will be having a shape like this, and its equation becomes y square equal to 4x. Therefore, here x-axis is called the axis of the parabola. X-axis is called axis of parabola. Is x-axis. D is the directrix. D is the directrix of the parabola. S is the focus. A, 0. Eccentricity is always 1 for parabola. One more thing we have to think, that is double ordinate passing through the focus. Suppose L and L dash. Therefore, L will have coordinates, x coordinate will be a, for L dash also x coordinate will be a. To find the remaining, put in this equation y square equal to 4a into a, that is equal to 4a square. Therefore, y value will be plus or minus twice a. Therefore, it will be plus twice a and minus twice a. Now, length of LL dash, length of LL dash is called latus rectum, is called latus rectum. This latest rectum is nothing but this much is twice a denominator नीचे का twice a, total becomes 4a. For any parabola of this shape, latest rectum is also always 4a. Likewise, there are type 2 parabola. Type 2 will have equation y square equal to minus 4ax. Here axis will remain same. Axis will remain same and shape will go on the opposite side. Then directrix will be x is equal to e. Here focus will be minus a comma 0. If we draw double ordinate, minus a comma 2a and a comma minus 2, minus a comma minus 2a. Means here x-axis is also axis again here. Y-axis is drawn accordingly. Focus will be minus a comma 0. Length of latest rectum will be 4a and coordinates of L and L dash will have minus a here. Then there is a type 3 parabola. Type 3 parabola is curve upward. It will have, suppose, its equation will be equal to y square equal to, x square equal to 4ay. Therefore, y equal to a, that is minus a, is a directrix. Its focus will be 0 comma a. L and L dash will have coordinates accordingly, that is 0 comma a and 0 comma a matlab, that is y coordinate it is twice a, it is minus twice a and a. Length of latest rectum will remain same, that is equal to 4a. Likewise, third, then next that is fourth type. Fourth type of parabola will have curve downward. For this parabola, directrix y equal to, suppose, minus, that is plus a. Here focus will be 0 comma minus a and L and L dash will have coordinates minus a to a, that is minus 2a comma a. In this case again, length of latest rectum is always fixed, that is 4a. These are the four types of parabolas in your study. General parabola is the parabola in which the vertex, this point is called the vertex. Vertex may not be the origin. It may be anywhere in the first quadrant, second quadrant, or any of the quadrant in the plane. At that time, its equation will vary accordingly. There is next, that is parametric form of equation of parabola. For any parabola, x is equal to 80 square and y equal to twice 80 are the equations of parabola. If we substitute in LHS and RHS, suppose y square equal to twice 80 whole square, that becomes 4a square t square. Therefore, I can write 4a into 80 square. 4a into 80 square is nothing but the x. Therefore, LHS and RHS are satisfied by this equation. Here, t value is called a parameter. Therefore, any point on the parabola P is given by 80 square twice 80. These are the parametric equations of the parabola. Sometime we have to think about the relation between the parameters. Suppose there is a parabola in this way. Here is a P point, that is 81 square twice 81. There is another point, suppose Q, and this P, Q is a chord, PQ is a chord which passes through focus. Therefore, it is also called as a focal chord. This focal chord, which is nothing but the A comma 0, suppose AT1 square, AT2 square twice AT2. Now, if I have to find out the relation between T1 and T2 in this case, slope of the line is nothing but the y2 minus y1 twice AT2 minus twice AT1 upon x2, that is AT2 square minus AT1 square. If you try to take out twice A common here, T2 minus T1. If you take out A common here, T2 square minus T1 square means T2 minus T1 into T2 plus T1. Cancelling, you will find that is 2 upon T1 plus T2 is the slope of the chord PQ. Therefore, equation of PQ becomes, equation of PQ is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, this form. Therefore, y minus y1, that is twice a t1 equal to m means 2 upon t1 plus t2 into x minus x1, that is at1 square. On simplification, you will get that t1 into t2 equal to minus 1. This is the condition for focal chord. For any focal chord PQ which passes the focus having parameters to the point P, T1 and parameter point T is T2, then the relation is T1 into T2 is equal to minus 1.